If you are someone who is seeking to understand and apply the teachings of Neville Goddard, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will explore the techniques for faster manifestation and delve into the transformative power of positive thinking. By overcoming limiting beliefs, mastering the correct art of visualization, incorporating journaling into your practice, and cultivating gratitude, you can manifest your dreams and aspirations more effectively. So let's dive in and discover how to harness the power of positive thinking to manifest faster using Neville Goddard's technique. Manifestation is a powerful practice that allows us to shape our reality and fulfill our dream. It involves harnessing the power of our thoughts, emotions, and intention to bring our deepest desires to life. One of the most transformative techniques for manifestation is visualization. Visualization is the art of creating detailed mental images of our desired outcomes. It's like directing a movie within our minds, where we are both the scriptwriter and the lead actor. By vividly imagining our goals as if they've already materialized, we send powerful signals to the universe and align ourselves with the frequency of our desires. Personal stories and examples can help illustrate the effectiveness of visualization in manifesting our dreams. For instance, I once visualized myself standing on a stage, confidently giving a TED Talk. I could feel the warmth of the spotlight, hear the applause, and sense the excitement in the air. Months later, I found myself on that very stage, living the scene I had painted in my mind. It was a surreal experience, and it showed me the power of visualization. Visualization infuses our dreams with emotions, making them feel more real and attainable. When we immerse ourselves in the sensory experience of our desired outcome, we can enhance the effectiveness of visualization. For example, if our goal is to travel to a picturesque island, we can close our eyes and imagine feeling the soft sand beneath our feet, tasting the salty breeze, and hearing the gentle waves lapping at the shore. The joy and excitement we experience during the visualization process can further amplify the manifestation of our goals. By feeling the emotions associated with our desires, we attract that energy into motion and align ourselves with the frequency of what we want to manifest. Visualization is a technique that can be practiced and honed to improve our manifestation abilities. It allows us to define our goals with specificity, block out limiting beliefs and resistance, and focus selectively on the outcomes we want to manifest. By scripting and visualizing our desired reality, we can reprogram our minds and overcome any limiting beliefs that may be holding us back. Let's now discuss how to reprogram our mind to overcome limiting beliefs for achieving successful manifestation. Overcoming limiting beliefs is a crucial step towards personal growth and achieving your goals. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts or beliefs that we hold about ourselves and the world that prevent us from reaching our full potential. However, with some strategies and mindset shifts, you can overcome these beliefs and create a more empowering outlook on life. Self-observation is an essential aspect of becoming a conscious creator. By observing our reactions and identifying our beliefs, we can uproot any that no longer serve us. Our beliefs act as the foundation of our current state and shape our thoughts, actions, outcomes, and experiences in life. Many people overlook the importance of identifying their limiting beliefs when first starting their manifestation journey. They dive into techniques such as scripting, visualizing, and affirming, hoping to manifest their desires. However, if these desires conflict with our underlying beliefs, they will be difficult to manifest. The first step in overcoming limiting beliefs is to identify them. Take some time to reflect on your thoughts and behaviors and pay attention to any negative self-talk or patterns of self-sabotage. Write down these limiting beliefs and categorize them by different areas of your life, such as career, relationships, or personal goals. Once you have identified your limiting beliefs, challenge them. Question the evidence supporting these beliefs and ask yourself if they are based on facts or simply assumptions. Replace negative self-talk with more positive and empowering statements. For example, if you believe you're not good enough for a promotion, counteract that belief by reminding yourself of your accomplishments and focusing on your strengths. Another effective strategy is to visualize success and create a vivid image of yourself achieving your goals. Engage your senses and imagine how it would feel, look, and sound to accomplish what you desire. Visualize the positive outcomes and the steps you need to take to get there. This practice helps rewire your brain and reinforces a more positive mindset. Surround yourself with positive influences and seek support from mentors, friends, or coaches who can provide guidance and encouragement. Their perspectives and experiences can help challenge your limiting beliefs and offer new insights. Take action and step outside your comfort zone. Start with small, achievable goals that push you beyond your limiting beliefs. Each small success will build confidence and reinforce the belief that you are capable of achieving more. Celebrate your victories along the way and acknowledge the progress you have made. The law of attraction and manifesting are not just about techniques. They are about addressing the beliefs that may be blocking us from achieving our goals. It is essential to define our goals with specificity, block out negative information, and focus selectively on what we want to manifest. Techniques such as meditation, affirmations, journaling, and visualizing can help in shifting our energy and beliefs. By practicing gratitude and having trust in the universe, we can overcome limiting beliefs and manifest our dreams and aspirations into reality. It is through this process of reprogramming our minds that we can empower ourselves and create the positive outcomes we desire. Let's talk specifically about journaling for manifestation. When you write down your dreams and aspirations, you are setting a clear intention and bringing them into focus. By putting your thoughts onto paper, you are making a commitment to yourself and the universe. This act of writing allows you to explore your desires, clarify your goals, and create a plan of action. Moreover, journaling can help you gain clarity and uncover any limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. As you write, you may start to notice patterns or recurring thoughts that are blocking your progress. By identifying these obstacles, you can work on shifting your mindset and overcoming any resistance. Regular journaling can also help you stay motivated and committed to your goals. By documenting your progress and reflecting on your journey, you can celebrate the small wins along the way, which will keep you inspired to continue taking proactive steps towards your dream. Furthermore, journaling is a form of self-reflection and self-discovery. As you write, you may uncover new insights about yourself and your desires. This process of self-exploration can lead to a better understanding of your values, passions, and purpose, which will ultimately guide you towards the manifestation of your dreams. There are various journaling techniques and prompts that can aid in manifesting your desires. Gratitude journaling, for example, involves writing down what you are thankful for each day. This practice helps shift your focus towards positivity and abundance, attracting more of what you appreciate into your life. It's important to approach journaling for manifestation with an open mind and a positive attitude. Trust in the process and have faith in the universe's ability to bring your dreams to fruition. Remember, Journaling is a personal practice, so feel free to customize it to suit your needs and preferences. Experiment with different techniques and find what resonates with you. Gratitude is not only important in manifesting, but it also has a profound impact on our overall well-being. It goes beyond surface level appreciation and touches the depths of our being, putting us in a joyous mental state. When we practice gratitude, we are acknowledging and appreciating the good aspects of our lives, no matter how small they may seem. One of the benefits of gratitude is its ability to improve our mental health. By focusing on the positive aspects of our lives and expressing gratitude for them, we develop a sense of appreciation and thankfulness. This can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression as it casts out toxic emotions and replaces them with good ones. In fact, it's impossible to hold on to negative emotions like anger and gratitude at the same time, so practicing gratitude can help shift our mindset and improve our overall mental well-being. But gratitude doesn't just stop at improving our mental health. It also plays a key role in the manifestation process. When we are grateful for what we already have, we shift our focus to the positive aspects of our life. This shift in perspective opens us up to receiving more good things and attracts positive outcomes into our lives. Incorporating gratitude into our daily lives can have profound effects on our overall well-being and the results we attain in the external world. By cultivating thankfulness and appreciating the abundance that surrounds us, we are aligning ourselves with the energy of love, abundance, and manifestation. So, whether you're looking to improve your mental health or manifest your dreams and aspirations, practicing gratitude is a powerful tool that can help you reprogram your mind, overcome limiting beliefs, and have trust in the universe. Take proactive steps to define your goals. Be specific in what you want to manifest, and block out any negative or limiting information. Use techniques like meditation, affirmations, journaling, and visualizing to shift your energy and focus on what you want to attract into your life. And that wraps up our video on manifesting faster using Neville Goddard's technique. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful in your own manifestation journey. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all of our future content that's designed to help you manifest your dreams and desires. We also invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers and learning from your own manifestation stories. Before we sign off, we want to offer you a heartfelt wish for success and abundance in your manifestation journey. Remember, you have the power to create the life of your dreams, and with Neville Goddard's techniques, you can manifest your desires faster than ever before. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, and may all your dreams become reality.